What's good, nerd? We at Eddie's house right now. I just wrapped my Honda Civic to silver. Eddie hooked it up with a wrap, right, Eddie? Just kidding, it's right here. But we are going to go to that private dealership and drop off the Honda. It's gonna be a very sad day for me, but on to bigger things. Let's go, Eddie. Oh. Oh man, one last ride. Eddie in the back. Shouldn't be vlogging when I drive, but here we are. Damn, I'm sure gonna miss this car, you know? Been here for like half of my life. But yeah, man, it's really clean. Someone will definitely buy it. These are really economy-friendly cars. But, I mean, hi, Eddie. We are here at the... No, that's not it. Franco's? No, that's not it. I don't know what it's called, but it's a little... Oh, right here. Waltham Auto Gallery. So, Eddie's gonna peel out the Pikachu. Oh my gosh. Bring the knife. Bring the knife, Eddie. Bring the knife.
Why?
There it is.
It's just like...
Because they're probably gonna peel it off anyways, but I need to take the license plate out and say goodbye to this car. But yeah, it's been a good run, man. But I'm gonna do all that and then say goodbye to it. No, no.
I'm gonna put this on my car now.
Do it. No, oh, hurry up and do it. It's painful. But yeah, man. Goodbye, car. I'm just doing a little vlog, but thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss. Take care of her. Alright, everything's in there. The keys, title. Yeah, I think that's it. I said it before, but I'll say it again. Goodbye now. Fucking Eddie took the sticker. Where you gonna...
In memory of this motherfucker.
Where are you gonna put it?
I don't know. On my car?
On the M3? But yeah, man. It is what it is. Rip.
Oh.
Rest in peace. Rest in paradise.
I wasn't planning to keep this, but people don't put it. Good.
But yeah, man. It was a good run. Good 11 years with the car. But yeah, we are gonna head back and probably get some food. But I will see y'all in the next one.
We just
Deuce. What's good, y'all? So obviously, future Kenny here. I sold the Honda Civic Ex. It has been a while actually, and I sold it to my dad's buddy's private dealership, and he cleaned it up, did a little oil change, all that stuff, and he told me he sold it in like literally 2 days, so I was really shocked and surprised. But yeah, I grew up with that car. It's been 11 years. I really miss it, but here we are, leveled up to nice gen Civic, white. Wish it was blue, but guess we matching with the homies. But yeah, man. Honestly, I wish I kept it personally, but I couldn't because it was technically under my dad's name. So it technically wasn't my car. I want to keep it personally, but he didn't want to pay for the insurance, so we decided to sell it. It was only the best. But this is my car, it's under my name, so there's that. But thank you for the blue Honda Civic EX. Shout out to my dad, shout out to my parents, to my family. But yeah, it's been a long, good 11 years, and this channel wouldn't have started without this car. So here are some throwback videos. Here we go. But yeah, man, thank you for watching. Even though that car wasn't really much of a modified car or respectable to be modified, it was definitely has a special place in my heart. But besides all this stuff, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in